Welcome to ASA Studio. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a dramatic look with this photo. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have the picture of this model here, putting on white, and I want to make it look dramatic like the way you see on the thumbnail. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to unlock this photo and then I'm going to duplicate it. So to create the dramatic look, we're going to make an adjustment layer which is curve. So create your curves, and then we're going to decrease it a little bit to create something like this is okay. Now we're going to create another one, curves again, and then we're going to take it down a little bit, and then we'll close it. So now turn it off, turn this one off, and then you see the background is almost like brighter like the white she's putting on. So I'm going to put this one on, and then I'm going to select the background by using our select tool. So select color range, and then I'm going to pick the background, just delete the background. So let's decrease the fuzziness a little bit, and hold down shift, select just the background. Okay, select here too, then we're good. So click OK. So I think we don't want to create it. Ctrl Z. Let's click on this one, and then we'll do the select color range again. So select color range, then we'll pick shift. I just want only her face and her skin, so I'm going to select this place, select the white she's putting on too. Yeah, something like this. So done, we have our white. Now click OK. Alright, now we've selected that. We're going to create a curves adjustment layer. Now on the curve, this one was actually working, so this for this curve, drag it to the top. Let's name this, okay, let's not rename anything. Now you can see some places are also selected like a eye, so press Alt and click, and you see where it's selected. I don't want a selection of the eyes. X, let's change the foreground color, and then X. We want to make this place look like the way this. Okay, so let's keep on. Okay, so that's just, you can take your time later on. So just what I want. Then I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to decrease the curve layer like this to make the background darker. This, and then I'm going to decrease this one somewhere like this. Now we'll close it. Then I'm going to create black and white. Good. Now for the black and white, I won't decrease anything. I'm just going to leave it like that. Then I'm going to create color lookup, and then put it at let's use the Kojak 512. Yeah. So we still need some places very dark. Okay, let's leave that one. Come to the color lookup. Check, let's see the ones that, yeah, Kodak 518. And the curves layer for this one, I'm going to decrease it to get something darker like her hair. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so now I've darkened it with the background. Then what I want to do, the hair is still showing, some part of her hair showing white, so change the foreground color to white, yes, X, and then you're going to paint over the head. We don't want to see our hair, we just want to see, zoom in, and then click, and then paint all this together. So also for the background of our hair, for the sake of this tutorial, just have to make everything faster. Okay, so we're good. X for here. I think it's gonna use some part of our hair. So Ctrl Z, X. Okay, so we're good, making progress with that. I'm going to make sure these places are selected, so I'm going to click Ctrl X. So select, make the brush bigger, and then keep on. Okay, so good. Selected part of our clothes. So that is not the end. We're almost there. So for the color lookup, if we turn it off, we have a very nice black and white. And then for this one, now one last thing, we're going to create we're going to make it look cinematic, and what we're going to use is a solid layer. So choose a blue color like this, and then we're going to come here and then change the blending mode. So right now it's too much to soft light, and then we'll decrease the opacity to thereabouts. So if you don't like that one, alright, so that's what we get when we change the blending mode. We can increase it a little bit, yeah, something like this. Now the effect is too sharp on our clothes and on our back, so we can figure that out with this. So let's go. Pick up your brush tool, change the foreground color black and white, and then decrease the hardness somewhere about 6 or 7. Your flow 50%, and then you're going to paint and blend it. So let's decrease the brush and then paint over the black areas. So get smooth transition. Let's decrease the flow to 16. I think the effect is just a little bit too much. So let's Ctrl Z. I'm gonna undo it. Undo this one also. Okay, now we're back to where we started. So let's decrease the flow again, and the hardness, let's decrease the hardness to the end. Click, select this and make the brush bigger, and then paint from the outside just like that. Till we get a smooth transition first of all. So you get the idea. I'm making the brush smaller. You can keep on painting till you get something smooth like this. So I think that's okay. Okay, so you can do whatever you want to do. So for me, I like the transition like this. So you can leave a little bit of this place, but I think the white still showing, so you can feather it out. Max option. Okay, cancel. I'm looking for a way to max properties. Bring out the properties layer. Properties. Yeah. So it's bringing out the property of the mask, and then I'm going to click feather till we get a smooth transition. Okay. Let's zoom out. Oh, I think it's too much. Bring back the feather. Okay. So keep increasing the feather till you get what you like. Okay, no, that's too much. Okay, this is okay. So I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to continue with my painting like yes. So I'm going to cover it a little bit. Yeah, just like that. Also here, I just want to have a smooth transition. Okay, that's okay. So that's how to create a dramatic look. See, but I want this place to be sharp, so I'm going to click X and then I'm going to erase it from this place. Good. So it's getting too much here. So that's how to create a dramatic look. I need to erase some part of this place. Okay. So good. So from this, before I'm going to put them in a group. You can also increase, change this to somewhere here, then have a brighter, deep bluish look, like here, yeah. So that's how to get the type of look. If you turn on this one, you have another fine blue dramatic layer. So the black and white is just actually making it look so dramatic. And if you want to get also a nice color grade with a skin tone, you can leave it like this, and then you have to picture. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you later on our next video. Thank you.